Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this introduction video. Here you can see this post here, our comprehensive training package on advanced fluid structure interaction, computational fluid dynamics, smooth particle hydrodynamics, and coupled Eulerian Lagrangian simulations in Abaqus. If you click on title, you will have the post here. In today's engineering world, understanding the interaction between the fluid and structure is more important than ever. Engineers and researchers are continuously faced with challenges involving fluid flow, structure deformation, impact, loading, explosion, sloshing phenomena, and complex multiphysics interaction. To accurate analyze and solve these problems, advanced numerical simulation techniques have become essential tools across industries such as aerospace, automotive, civil engineering, energy systems, manufacturing, offshore structure, and biomechanical engineering. Rather than focusing only on theory, this training package emphasizes real engineering application and in industrial case studies. Each workshop demonstrates a complete simulation workflow from geometry creation, material definition, to meshing, interaction setup, solver configuration, post-processing, and engineering interpretation of the result. Throughout this package, you will learn um, how to perform computational fluid dynamic, fluid structure interaction, analysis, smooth particle, coupled Eulerian Lagrangian, and many other models. One of the major topics covered in this package is fluid sloshing and seismic analysis of a liquid storage tank. You will learn how to simulate water container subjected to earthquake loading, seismic, sloshing behavior in tanks, concrete tanks, I don't know, composite tanks. And these simulations are extremely valuable for engineering working in water, infrastructure, petrochemical facilities, storage system, and earthquake engineering. The package also includes several advanced fluid structure simulation. You will, uh, you will learn how to model the interaction between blood flow and arterial walls or blood vessel, perform co-simulation technique for blood vessel system, and investigate coronary artery fluid dynamics under realistic conditions. These biomechanical projects provide an excellent introduction to multi-physics simulation technique used in the modern medical device. For engineering, for engineers interested in computational fluid dynamics, a dedicated workshop cover non-Newtonian blood flow simulation, thermal mixing process, and reverse flow behavior in industrial T-junction systems. This example demonstrates how CFD can be applied to understand flow uh, characteristics, temperature distribution, and fluid behavior in complex engineering environment. Another important section of this package is focused on impact and extreme loading conditions. You will learn water-filled steel pipe impact, underwater explosion, uh, and blast effect over the storage tank. Besides that, we have a smooth particle hydrodynamic. It is a powerful mesh-free numerical method that allows engineers to model highly deformed fluid and large free surface motion. And also for highly nonlinear fluid structure interaction, we have here coupled Eulerian Lagrangian method. These projects and workshops provide valuable insight into advanced numerical method used for solving large deformation and free surface flow problems. What makes this package unique is its focus on practical implementation. Every workshop includes complete Abaqus CA file, input file, details of modeling procedure, engineering explanation, and professional step-by-step English video you can see here. And this is a short description here. And what you receive, these are the things that you receive from the model. And at the end, you will develop a deeper understanding of modeling strategies, numerical techniques covering convergence consideration and engineering interpretation of simulation results. Okay, for the payment method, here, as you can see, we have 20 workshop in this package, 20 workshop. The payments, we accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and if you have cryptocurrencies, we accept all the cryptocurrencies. The price for this package is 119 euros. Before payment, contact us through this email here. We will tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the package, the workshops, anything that you need to know. And don't worry about that. So contact us through this email. For now, thank you for your attention.